Hello friends, I welcome all of you in my blog Classic Vijay Vlogs. Friends, if you looking such as a blog that is a English medium and you want to learn English communication skill through blogging, this Classic Vijay Vlogs perfect for you. Friends, there are so many people looking such as a blog that they can watch and learn English communication skills. So this blog perfect for you. Every day in the morning 7 a.m. I am uploading a new blog that is a English medium, and in this blog I am discovering about nature and learn English with nature. Here you can see lot of greenery surrounding of me. So there are so many greenery here, long tree, small tree, grass. There are so many birds chirping here. So such as a miracle morning, greenery, beauty of nature, we creating a new blog. This is a English medium blog. So friends, if you looking such as a blog that you can watch and learn English through blogging, this blog for you. You can see lot of greenery, looking so beautiful surrounding of me. Awesome. Every day in the morning, I walking alone in this park, and in this park, I connected with nature. So friends, you can see there are flowers plant here. These are the flowers plant, and in this park, I spend quality time for my life. I strongly believe everybody should go outside where you can connect with you with nature. So if you spending some quality time with nature, it will feel you energetic, motivating. You can talk to universe and you can connect this beautiful miracle morning. You can connect this beautiful nature, tree, plant, insect. There are so many species. You can see, you can talk, and these are a flowers tree. You can see there are so many. This is a canal, and if you want to exercise, there are exercise place. There are so many exercise place, so you can warm up here. And here you can see there are long tree, lot of greenery. So friends, I always believe walk alone. You spare some time to walk alone in this miracle morning. Walking alone, it is a different type of beneficial for our health, wealth. If you walking alone, you can talk from yourself. If you walking alone, you can talk from yourself. You can talk about your emotion, thought, idea, and you can share. So this is my special time where I walking alone and creating a blog in English medium. Through this blog, I improving my communication skill in English. And if you follow my blog, you can also improve communication skill in English through blogging. You can see how wonderful place here. Everywhere greenery, grass, everywhere trees, plants, so many birds. Awesome place. And here you can see there are so many canals tree. lot of flowers tree planted here. This is also a flowers tree. You can see one flower, you can see white color flowers. So this is a flowers plant. And in this park there are so many flowers plant here. So if you believe worship, you can pluck these flowers for your worship in temple. This is a flowers plant. So if you know the name of this flowers plant, write a comment box. What is the name of these flowers? What you say in your village, in your hometown? What you say these flowers? What is the name? And this is a canal tree. So gardener cutting all of the branches. Now it's growing once again. New leaf, new branches. Friends, there are so many developers working in office. There are so many people working in office from couple of last multiple years. They working, but they not promoting. They not promoting in his career. Why? They are hard working. They going office on schedule time. They delivery all of the projects on time. They not delay. They always supporting. They are humble person, but they not promoting. They working same things again and again, couple of other years. They are humble person, they supporting person, they hard working. But why they not getting promotion? Why? Friends, if you working hard, but your communication skill not good, it is very difficult to grow your career. It is very difficult to promote because promotion, high paying salary, not depend only your hard working. It depend combination of multiple things. The communication skill in English play important role for your growth, your career. So someone hard worker, they always support, but they sitting front of the meeting where boss connected, clients connected, there are so many team member connected. If you sitting and need talk about project in English, maybe they know how does work my project, how they deliver, but requirement how to speak in English, how to convince them what is your deliver. They always just take, they not able to explain about project in English. That time they lagging, and the reason behind each they not get promotion. But I saw someone, they are junior but his communication skill is good, they able to explain everything in English. They have not much experience but they have good communication skill in English, they got promotion. So today time English communication skill, it is a must. If you are working on the private sector job, you must improve your communication skill in English, friends. Without communication skill in English, you can't grow. It is very difficult to high income salary. So there are so many benefits to learn English. So this is a blog. It is a perfect blog if you want to learn English communication skill, improve your communication skill through blogging. You can follow my channel Classic Vijay Blogs. Friends, here you can see this is a plant and I am going up. This tree looking very awesome. The sunlight directly coming here on this leaf, and when the sunlight coming on this leaf, it reflecting, and from looking this side it is looking very beautiful, and if you looking from this side it's looking dark because this side the sunlight not coming, but if you looking from this side the sunlight coming on this leaf and the color of the leaf reflecting, so looking very awesome. Wow. And in this park, there are so many monkeys also here. There are so many monkey living as a group. So friends, every morning you should walk alone near your park. And if you walking alone, you can observe yourself. You can talk yourself. You can understand your potential. You have to work. You can plan for the day. You can observe your past performance and what you done yesterday, what is for today and what is for next. So you can summarize your experience, you can summarize your work, you can summarize your effort. So there are so many people working hard. They are always busy, but they don't know where I am putting effort and time. Busy, it is an important part. You should busy every time, but purposeful busy. Someone busy every time. They talking about politics, they talking about cricket, they talking about nearest home, India, or of the India, but they don't think about self. If you talking everything but don't think about yourself, it is very difficult to growth. So friends, the important part is you should busy every day, you should plan every day, and you should plan your work purposeful. Don't waste time unnecessary talking. You should talk purposeful busy. Here you can see a tree. This is a root of tree, and this tree is very long. Now let me see you. Wow, it's really awesome and very longest tree. And in this tree there are so many birds, squirrels, there are so many nests on this branch. There are so many nests. There are so many birds building his nest, and I always observe here, I always walking here, there are so many squirrel come down and they searching food and go back on this tree. There is a big tree. So if you walking alone in this park, you can talk with yourself, you can watch so many species, there are so many birds, squirrels, monkeys, insect. You can connect inwards with nature, and you can spare quality time for you. You have to busy only purposeful, not wasting time. And friends, if you only watching Hindi blogs and not watching English blog, how to communicate English? So if you time watch English blog, if you watching English blog, you will learn something, you can speak something. And if you regularly watching English blog, your communication skills will automatically increase. But friends, keep in mind always, if you want to increase your communication skills, it is a not only one day task. You have to keep practice every day, every day, every day. 10 to 15 minutes you have to watch every day. Keep practice every day. One sentence, two sentence, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Let's suppose you want to build your body. You have to go gym, but if you only go one day, your body not build. You have to go every day gym to exercise. Similarly, if you want to knowledgeable, you have to read book, but if you reading only one day book, you will not get knowledgeable. You have to read book every day. Similarly, if you want to communication skill in English, you have to speak daily, you have to watch daily, and such as a blog, English blog, it will help you to increase your communication skill in English. So it is a right way, it is a communication, it is a right place, it is a right platform, it is a right time to improve your communication skills. So friends, if you increase your communication skill in English, that communication skills build your confidence. If you get confidence, that confidence will get you success. So first, we need to watch every day English blog, then you will increase your communication skills. English communication skills build your confidence, and from that confident that will get your success. So it is a process. First you need to learn and grow. Without learning, never grow. This is a really awesome scene in this magical miracle morning. The sunlight coming on this leaf, it's looking brighter. The trees of branches and leaf gets contrast. It's really looking awesome, friends. This is a greenery grass. If you walking alone without slipper like this, so if you walking alone on this grass without slipper, it will also help you to, it will be very beneficial for your health. So if you walking alone in greenery grass, it is beneficial for your health, and you can connect with nature, earth, and you can observe the nature of beauty. So why miracle morning important? Because in the morning everywhere is calm, quiet. There is no sound, environment are good, vibration are good, we can talk with universe, you can talk with yourself. So friends, important is you should spare some quality time for yourself in this miracle morning. Go park and spend some quality time and observe yourself in this miracle morning. Observe yourself, talk yourself, and plan for the day, what you did yesterday, what for today, what is the next. So you can plan your goal as well. So you connected with me, friends. I really thank you from bottom of my heart. If you really like my blog, if you really want to improve your communication skill in English, follow my blog, Classic Vijay Blogs. I will see you tomorrow in my blog. Every day, 7 a.m. in the morning, I publish new blog. That is a English communication English blog. So learn with nature, communication, grow in English. So friends, learn English with a magical miracle morning, with nature, and grow your communication skill through Classic Vijay Blogs. I would thank you so much to connect it with my blog. Thank you once again. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Hopefully you will enjoy my blog. Subscribe, share and support my channel. Thank you so much.